What's going on, Domination Crew? I'm Rico.
I'm Dan.
And we are two dudes. And today we're going to be talking about how you can and will be successful with Amazon FBA. First off, product research, guys. Please, 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 if you take nothing away from this video other than product research, you'll be fine. The battle's halfway there. A lot of you guys are not doing proper product research. We get DMs out the wazoo, and it really boils down to like product research and you guys not doing proper product research. Whatever you're interested in, go for what's selling. You have to find the stuff that's selling. The market will tell you what's selling. You know, just because you like Rainbow Dash underwear doesn't mean Rainbow Dash underwear is what you should be selling.
Yeah.
You know, just because you like Martha Stewart pots doesn't mean you should be, selling Martha Stewart pots or whatever.
Yeah, and it really all starts with a niche, especially when you get into FBA, you need to kind of do a ton of research, like Rico said, with products beforehand to know what's selling. That way the investment that you make, be it, a couple $100 to a couple $1,000, will actually turn a profit because, at the end of the day, when you send the stuff to Amazon, you need to be, cognizant of a lot of different fees that you're going to be responsible for, so that the last thing you want to do is invest all this money and time into a product that doesn't sell. You need to have that. You need to have that down pat before you decide to venture in FBA.
We got a product research video. If you guys did not notice, the last I'm on the front of that. I'm actually on that.
You're always on the front of it. Yeah. I'm a sidekick, by the way. This is all I do. I come in once in a while and I'll say things.
So check out that product research video, guys. It's going to help you with your FBA product research. You have to make your product stand out. Make it stand out. Make it look fantastic. The whole reason people buy iPhones and MacBooks and all this other stuff is not because it's better than the competition.
The name sells.
The name sells. The presentation sells. Yes. If you want to sell some stuff, you need to make sure it looks good. Mm-hmm. All right? There's a reason why people are more successful than you on Amazon.
Yeah.
And their product may be absolute dookie. Mm-hmm. I believe me, we have seen some dookie products.
We bought some dookie products.
We have bought some dookie products. But the thing is, they look great. Mm-hmm. They make you want to buy. They scream out, hey, it doesn't matter if I'm a turd. I'm a solid gold.
Buy me.
Buy me.
Buy me.
Buy me. And it screams out, buy me.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure you guys have proper packaging. Make it look good.
Product photos. That's a big one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Product photos. Make sure your product photos are on point. Don't just use your supplier's product photos. Just don't do it. Just get samples, because you need to be getting samples if you're doing FBA, period. If you're not getting samples doing FBA, you're wrong. You're already gonna fail. Don't blame us when you fail.
Yes.
It's just gonna happen. But guys are real serious with it. You're serious about this product and you guys wanna make some money, you need to get a sample. Get some product photography taken. If it's a clothing item or something, don't wear it. Don't put them on and try them on. Walk around in some fuzzy bunny slippers. You're gonna mess them all up before you do your product photos.
Yes.
Get your product photos done, guys. Get your photos done.
That's another interesting aspect of FBA. One thing that, at least coming from us, we've done FBA for quite some time. One thing that we do not recommend, and a lot of, gurus will recommend, we don't recommend doing sight unseen. So what we normally say is, if you're gonna buy something at least of value, it doesn't matter what it is, any product for that matter, make sure that you get it sent to you first.
Yes.
You're gonna have to pay a little bit more for shipping, but make sure that you check the product out before you send it into FBA, and this will prevent into the fulfillment centers. This will prevent a lot of host of customer complaints that could potentially come out of that. Prevent any kind of suspensions that could come from inauthenticity.
Yeah, we're gonna be talking about suspensions too.
Trademarking violations, copyright violations. You want to make sure if whatever you're going to sell, get the product first and inspect it, analyze it, make sure it is what it is, and then send it into Amazon's fulfillment center.
Or get suspended. It's
or
up
get
to you.
suspended. Yeah, you can do that too. Good luck getting out of it.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, we will have a video all about suspensions.
Yeah, we'll have a video all about suspension and stuff like that. Yeah. Because apparently you guys don't know what to do when you get suspended. And we're going to help you guys out because we got suspended. Not for, drop shipping or anything like that. We got suspended because some little turd jumped on our listing and decided that he wanted to say, hey, these things are inauthentic. Yeah. So to Mr. Inauthentic Turd, they got us suspended for a little bit. Yo, this video's for you. That was a while back. That was like forever ago.
But it's a good, it's a crappy thing to go through. Yeah. But at the same time, you get a chance to to grow from it and be a better seller.
But it didn't matter. We still had 2 other stores going. Yep. But I was mad, man. Even Dan was mad too. But this little turd, if I could see you right now.
If you're watching this video.
Yeah. But beyond that. Also, you guys need to make sure that you have proper SEO. proper SEO is going to be key to get seen. Amazon actually just did an update. If you guys are watching.
For the search terms.
Yeah, for the search terms.
They limited.
Yeah, so it's limited. So now
250 characters.
It's 250 characters, so now you don't have multiple words. It's going to be on one line. So remember that. But you got to have proper search terms. Your listing has to look good. There's a video that I did that shows you how to set up your listing properly, I'm pretty sure. And you just make sure it looks good. Make sure you have your keywords in the title, inside of your product description, the whole nine. Your bullet points. Guys, just please do proper SEO tactics for Amazon. That is, don't just throw your product up there and look, these are keys.
Yeah, keys. Just keys.
Keys of what?
What type of keys? What do they look like? What color?
Sell them to me.
Yeah.
Make me feel some emotion. Feel it inside. You know, like when Celine Dion was singing. That might be before y'all time. But Celine Dion, when she sings, it makes you feel something. You know, the Titanic theme song. I can't sing, so I'm not gonna sing for you guys. But yeah, it made me feel something. You gotta make your customers feel something.
Yeah, one of the common misconceptions of the FBA is that it's passive income. And we don't agree with that. A lot of people will agree with us that we don't agree with that. Yeah. It's not. It takes a significant amount of effort. Amazon does a lot of front ending for you. They'll take care of the customer service. They'll handle returns. They'll handle shipment. A lot of that stuff will help you out and become a better seller. And it's great for somebody that's just starting out. But at the same time, it's not passive. You still have a lot of work to do. You still have to deal with returns. You still have to deal with damaged products. You have to deal with complaints. Amazon tends to. Especially when they're doing fulfillment and you do access the Prime benefits, they'll take care of their customers a little bit more because they're the ones serving up the product and they're the ones taking the hit for you. So you have much less leeway and much more fees when you go this route. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad route to go, but if you're going to start off by doing FBA, there's a lot of things that you need to to understand before you do so.
Please, whatever you do, pay attention.
Pay attention.
It's not 100% passive, and don't let any guru tell you, oh, it's passive income. All you got to do is send some products in, and that's it.
It's a lie.
They are lying straight to your face. You will be babysitting listings. You will make sure that your customers are happy. Guys, it's more passive than dropshipping. I'm not saying it isn't. I'm not saying it's not a fairly passive way. But the only true passive form of income that there is investing. If you got a ton of money and you put it into some stocks or a company or whatever, guess what? Now that's passive. You don't have to do anything.
That's true passive.
That's true passive income. That's money that's going to keep making money for you.
There's no e-commerce that's passive.
You're going to be doing product research, everything else. Don't let people fool you that this is passive. There's days where I'm like, yo, I don't want to deal with this crap. And we got VAs, man. We got VAs, and I'm like, But, all right, just it's not super passive. And finally, we'll get to the elephant in the room: giveaways.
Yes, product launches and giveaways. Those are the best, aren't they?
I'm so tired of giveaways and product launches.
Honestly, it's a major disadvantage of starting with FBA as well. Is you're investing all this money into a product that you think will sell. You have no way of testing the market. So if you can't guarantee sales, which nobody really can, giveaways and product launches are something that will kind of help save your bacon. But just know that that's more money coming out of your pocket and also doesn't guarantee success. Yeah, so let's think about this, guys. So let's say, you buy 300 units. And 300 units probably not going to be enough to do a real good, successful giveaway with. But we'll just go with 300 units. You got 300 units. You get them for $7 a piece. So it's $2,100. So you're out of $2,100. We'll say with your packaging, shipping, labels, everything else, $2,100. You are going to give away 100 of those. You're going to pay a company like Viral Launch. Minimum $400. So that's $400 right there. So that's now you're up at $2,500. $2,500 for your first product. And this is just one product, 300 units. All right. So see where this is going to go. You spend $2,500. You give away 100, but you give them away at a discount of $1. So let's do the math on that, guys. 100 units. You get them for $7. You're losing $6 on every single sale. That's $600 that you lost right there. $600, but you might as well just profit margin shot.
Just your profit margin
losing
shot.
Money.
Now, granted, that could help boost your listing and get to the front page. I'm not saying that it won't.
Yeah, no, it works. Yeah,
but let's say you're giving away more than you're running out of product and you're just giving it away. And you guys forget, when you run out of product, your listing your ranking will tank because Amazon does not like when you run out of product.
Yeah, that'll kill you.
Think about it. If you're not making any money, you guys, if you're giving away at $1, you're at a loss already. You are negative. $6 on every unit that gets given away. You're not getting that money. So you make a dollar, so there you got $100. How are you going to get more product? It costs you $2,100 to get those 300 units.
You're actually, essentially, for the entire listing, losing money on it.
Yeah, you're losing money on that listing because you don't have the capital necessary to go buy more because you gave them away for $1.
You better hope that worked.
You better hope it worked. How smart does that sound? You know, oh, let's do giveaways. Guys, Amazon is smart. Amazon is smart. The algorithm is intelligent, and it will get you natural traffic and get you selling. If you have a good product, you will get selling. And little known fact for you people. If you're FBA, Amazon prioritizes FBA listings, just to give you a heads up.
They do.
So, congratulations, you got natural traffic. Even if you don't sell 1 million of them your first month, guess what? You got a little bit of time, man. It's not like you're dying. It's not like you're going anywhere. I would hope you guys aren't dying. But it's not like you're going anywhere.
It's essentially what we did. You take products, you know, that we started off drop shipping that turned out to be a major hit, and then you eventually turn it into FBA. The biggest benefit in FBA, besides, you know, Amazon front-ending all the customer service and the shipment for you, is the nature of being able to deliver Prime. The 2-day shipping is the biggest crux. I mean, it's huge.
Yes.
Huge in reaching customers. Customers will spend more money to buy product that'll get it to them quicker. And that's the reason why we start off with drop shipping and move to FBA. We get a chance to test the market, and then we utilize the advantages of FBA. It also helps you become a better seller. Your product gets to your customers quicker, and at the end of the day, and it also prevents negative reviews, which is always nice. If the product shows up damaged or gets there late, Amazon takes the hit instead of you. So that's there's major benefits to FBA. Major benefits, and the biggest one of all is Prime. Most people are Prime. Most people want their products in 2 days.
But we're primarily Amazon dropshippers, and we do very well regardless, because there's tons of things that people do not know about dropshipping on Amazon. You guys think that, oh yeah, you're not going to make any money. We make more money than most FBA people. Just to give you a heads up.
Right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
We doubled our sales for 6 straight months.
How many people are doing that?
And one
no giveaways.
Was FBA.
Nope. No FBA and no giveaways.
No, fees are cheaper. Not to knock FBA, it's a great model to go to, but there's better ways to do things.
Yeah, there's better ways to start, I should say.
Better ways to start.
FBA is great, but there's better ways to start off to find your FBA product. But if you guys insist on going FBA, those are the steps that we would take, that we highly advise, and those are the steps that we take. Guys, that's been it. That's how you're going to be successful with Amazon FBA. It's fairly simple. If you guys follow those steps, you will start selling. You'll be just fine. If you guys don't follow those steps, that's on you. You guys can do what you want. Hey, everyone has their own path to success, and if your path to success is not our path to success, then more power to you. We hope you make a ton of money. We're making a ton of money.
Killing
it. So guys, with that,
peace out, and we'll catch you later.
God, you know what I could go for right now? Wingstop.